Olives are released by controlled force.
Harvested olives are gathered immediately.
Fresh olives are boxed at the grove. Olive quality starts in the field.
Each olive batch is measured.
Olives are protected from heat. Olives are prepared for transport. Olives begin their journey to extraction. Fresh olives leave the fields fast. Olives are secured for transport. Olives move in continuous flow. Every olive stays intact. Olives reach the extraction plant. Olives arrive in scheduled waves.
Olives are positioned for unloading.
The olive intake begins. Olives move inside the plant.
Olives are moments from processing.
This is where olives become liquid gold.
Olives enter under strict control.
Olives flow into the system.
Olives move without delay.
Olives cross into production.
Olives enter a controlled environment.
Olive batches are routed precisely.
Olives travel in constant motion. Olives pause before cleansing. Only mature olives are selected. It begins where olives grow, under open skies. Olives meet their first transformation.
Olives are washed under force.
Only olives continue forward. Olives rise clean and intact. Every olive is rinsed again. Human eyes protect olive quality.
Only the best olives remain.
Olives are graded precisely.
Olives are cleared of hazards.
Clean olives await extraction.
Olives move toward transformation. Olives enter the heart of extraction.
Olives are broken down completely. Olives are broken down completely.
Olives become paste.
Olive pits are controlled.
Olive paste flows under pressure.
Olive oil release is prepared.
Olive oil gathers naturally.
Olive flavor is protected. Olives are ready for extraction.
Olive oil separation advances.
Olive oil separation begins.
Olive oil appears.
Olive components split apart.
Olive byproducts are removed. Olive oil flows onward. Olive oil is refined gently. Olive oil finds balance.
Olive oil volume is confirmed.
Olive oil moves to precision control.
Olive oil is now digitally controlled.
Olive oil flow is balanced. The interpolation. Olive oil quality is read instantly.
Olive oil is purified precisely.
Olive oil systems are verified.
Olive oil remains stable.
Olive oil data never sleeps.
Olive oil routes change instantly. Olive oil never pauses.
Olive oil enters final refinement.
Olive oil reaches its purest form. Olive oil is finished with care.
Olive oil is made stable.
Olive oil is perfectly balanced.
Olive oil waits for release.
Olive oil is shielded from air. Olive oil passes final eyes. Olive oil moves to packaging. Olive oil is ready to be sealed.
Olive oil is sampled for proof.
Olive oil enters the lab.
Olive oil is judged by senses.
Olive oil is judged by senses.
Olive oil safety is confirmed.
Olive oil earns approval. Olive oil is cleared to pack.
Olive oil quality is stamped.
Olive oil is ready to ship.
Olive oil is filled with precision. Olive oil is sealed for life.
Olive oil is identified.
Olive oil is boxed securely.
Olive oil is stacked for storage.
Olive oil rests in controlled space.
Olive oil is prepared for delivery.
And this is how modern factories produce olive oil from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.